friends, very good morning all of you. I hope you all are doing great and learning this language great way. Friends, if you are learning English and if you're a beginner, and watch this video till the end because I'm going to tell you some tips that will help you to learn English fluently in easy way. Friends, if you are listening any audio or podcast, then try to listen simple English audio in the beginning, because if you start with advanced English you will feel like it's difficult, and if you are not getting while listening, then what the use of listening, right? So if you are watching or listening any video, then start with simple English audio or any conversation, and you should know at least 80% of the vocab from that video, right? And don't listen one times, try to listen multiple times same video, because I used to do the same and it's helped me a lot. What I used to do, I used to listen one video multiple times. Mostly I used to watch story, uh, like, because in this story I was learning so many things, because uh, every story there different vocabulary, right? So I was learning many vocabulary, and it was interesting for me, because I don't know like whether you will like story or not. You can listen according to your interest, because all kind of videos are available in YouTube, right? So uh, you should listen according to your interest, but it should be simple, right? Try to if you are reading, then try to read simple English book or children's book, and there you can see most of the vocabulary already you know, and that really helpful, my friends, because I did the same things whatever I am telling, and whatever I was listening I used to uh, tell my friend. As I told you before that I used to listen story a lot, so what I used to do, I used to tell same story to my friend, different friends, sometimes co-learner with whom I do practice, and that's really helped me that how I can describe in my own words whatever I listen or whatever I read. Friends, try to speak daily use sentence with your friend, your colleague, and learn vocabulary from your surroundings. Try to learn English from your real life. And suppose you are walking and you are in the field, wherever you are, try to describe your surrounding. And as you can see, I'm in kitchen garden, and you can see greenery everywhere, and I have made a lot of video there where I described about some flowers, some plants, just for my learning purpose. So you can also do the same things. And about learning vocabulary, try to learn vocabulary in a groups, like kitchen vocabulary. Search on Google or chat GPT, and you will find vocabulary in a group like kitchen vocabulary, farming vocabulary, and about anything, about railway station, about wherever you are, whatever you are walking, you can search about that, and you can learn vocabulary in a groups, and that's really helpful, because you don't need to remember, because if you are walking and if you are learning vocabulary from your surrounding, then you will see those things in front of you, right? And that's really helpful, my friends. And friends, don't think about your mistake. If you are making mistake, then mistakes are the proof that you are learning English, right? So don't care about that, and don't think about people too much, that what will people think if I will make mistakes. I never care about these things. And if you think, then you can't start, right? And if you think that I will learn all the grammar's rule, then I will start speaking, then you will never start, friends. Keep patience, because it's not our mother tongue, right? It will take times. Try to make your own English environment, and try to talk in front of mirror, and that will really help you. And friends, I hope you learned something new from this video. Then keep learning, keep practicing, and be consistent. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.